XM Cozy, 98 feet of LED smart outdoor string lights. Hardest unboxing ever. Wow. Oh, each one of these bulbs has a rubber band and one of these on it. That's gonna take a while to pluck all those off. And you get 2 extra ones. Bulb spacing, 3.18 feet. IP65 waterproof rating. Total length end to end, 98 feet. 30 bulbs, 30.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
12 volt S14 imitation tungsten wire LED bulb with PC cover.
Wow.
I have no idea what any of that stuff means,
Yeah.
but I do know that I'm gonna hang these up somewhere on the deck that we don't have, and we're gonna have some beautiful summer nights.
Okay.
This is the power adapter. There's a power button there, so once you plug this in, you can turn them off by just hitting that button. I'm gonna go hang these up for some ambiance. I'm gonna get all ambiance. Nope, cut it right now. All right, guys, we just built this house, and so the yard's not done, and this is the only place I could find to put these lights. Just drooped them in little smiley faces along the back fence, and they're actually very, very bright and very long too. They have different lengths. So this is the longest length. But the cool thing is at the end, you can plug in another set. So if I wanted to, I could go all the way to the end of the fence and over there. On this end, there is a power button. You can turn them off from here, just hit that. Shuts them off, hit it again, turns them back on. Okay, I brought the lights in my garage and set them right here on my table because I wanna show you some stuff that you can do with them in the app. All right, first thing you can do is you can dim them. This is 100% bright, and this is 1% bright. You can turn them on and off. There's off, on. You can set a timer. 24 hours is the max. You can set up a plan. So you can plan to have them come on here, then, and whenever. Or a schedule. It's like every night at 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. they come on. And then you can do like this power on behavior. So when they come on, they will go to the setting that you set them to. The brightness level, whether it's flashing or fading, things like that. And then you can create these scenes. And when you go into one of those, you can select either static, just on, flash, or breathe. And you can change the speed of that. So if you want to slow breathe, slowly gonna get bright, and then slowly gonna get dim. And that's it for the app.